This video was created by Danny Kessler, Associate Professor at Dongsu University and Korea's first PhD in wellness tourism. Observe a modern campus environment. Digital delivery platforms provide immediate access to hyper-engineered calories, prioritizing scale and convenience over biological stability. This creates the safety paradox. Optimizing the food system for industrial efficiency deleted the biological guardrails that kept our ancestors alive for millennia. As the food system reaches peak technological efficiency, the population faces rising rates of chronic illness. The human body operates on ancient biological hardware, a system that has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. Modern engineered food decouples our nutritional inputs from what this hardware was built to process. Today's health crisis represents a massive biological software incompatibility error. During the Joseon era, Korean society followed the mandate of 𝗔𝗀 𝗵 𝗵 This cultural law defined the body as a sacred inheritance. Consequently, physicians were prohibited from performing surgery or any form of invasive cutting. Because they could not access the hardware through surgery, physicians focused on writing sophisticated dietary software. They had to prevent disease through the kitchen rather than treating it in an operating room. This forced constraint led to Yakseon, the principle that medicine and food share the same root. Under this system, every meal functioned as a low-dose medical intervention designed to maintain long-term metabolic health. Ancient practitioners used the 5-element matrix to map the properties of nature onto the systems of the body. This matrix organized generations of clinical observations into a functional system for ensuring phytochemical diversity, tracking how specific plant pigments correlated with organ health. Traditional 𝗙𝗶𝗁𝗵 organizes these findings into a practical color pharmacy, ensuring the body receives a wide biochemical spectrum. Green ingredients target the liver and detoxification, red supports heart health and circulation, and black foods focus on the kidneys and longevity. Using this ancient color-coded system allows the modern consumer to manage their biochemical needs without requiring a laboratory. The efficacy of these inputs depends on the machine's processing limits, a concept formalized by 𝗖𝗎𝗻 and Saseong medicine. Saseong medicine dictates that no universal superfood exists. The hardware of the individual determines if a specific input provides a benefit or causes toxicity. Consider a Soyangin metabolic type, which naturally generates significant internal heat. Adding a hot input like red ginseng to this system can trigger systemic inflammation. In contrast, a suamine type with low digestive fire will experience a metabolic crash when processing cold temperature trends like iced smoothies or raw salads. Achieving wellness requires matching nutritional inputs to the specific processing capacity of your internal machine. Modern convenience removes the biological defense systems that historically protected our hardware from metabolic overload. The fermentation firewall uses time and bacteria to handle the energy-intensive work of digestion before the food is even consumed. This is supported by intentional friction, the use of seasonal bitters and hearty winter foods to pace the body through its natural metabolic cycles. Re-establishing these barriers protects the body from the constant high-speed input of the modern world. Calorie apps and universal diet fats create noise by ignoring the specific requirements of your unique biology. The signal is found in fixed biological timing and the awareness of your own hardware constraints. Biohacking with isolated modern inputs is often redundant when a legacy system of ancestral dietary codes already exists. The frictionless world is designed to exploit biological cravings for profit. Rejecting frictionless convenience stands as the most advanced health intervention available today. Stop searching for external upgrades. Your ancestors already wrote the code. It is time to start running it. This video was created by Danny Kessler, Associate Professor at Dongsu University and Korea's first PhD in wellness tourism.